Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. In this episode, I bring before you Gymnostaceum febrifugum, which is the botanical name of Agrada Beru. Bili Agrada Beru is a very common plant in Tulunadu, in coastal Karnataka. It is known as Nelamuchala. It is a stemless herb bearing flowering stems which are pink in color. It belongs to the Acanthaceae family. In Kannada, Nelamuchala. Some people call it as Chitiki Gadde. In Malayalam, it is Navu Nitti, and many other names all over India. If you search this plant in any of the YouTube videos, you will never find the reference or name anywhere in YouTube, Gymnostaceum febrifugum. So I am the first one to refer to this plant in YouTube. It has got several medicinal values. Firstly, it is called as fever gymnostaceum. Those who suffer from fever, a decoction of the root helps in bringing down fever immediately after consumption. Secondly, the main use of this plant is for removing the thrush from the tongue. Root extract in lime juice is applied for removing the thrush in the tongue. So it has got another name. It is also called as thrush root. So mainly Bili Agrada Beru, Nelamuchala is used to bring down fever, and secondly it is used to clean up the thrush on the tongue. And there are many other medicinal uses but still under research. So if you are using the plant, please take the advice of the medical practitioner before consuming any Ayurvedic product. So thank you for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share.